Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money with the Temu app. Let's get started to how it done. First, you need to understand what Temu is and why it represents such an incredible opportunity for people looking to generate income online this year. Temu has established itself as one of the absolute largest e-commerce platforms operating on the internet today, having originally launched around 2022 and experienced absolutely explosive growth in a remarkably short period of time. The platform operates as both a comprehensive website and a fully featured mobile application where shoppers can discover and purchase thousands of different products across numerous categories at astonishingly low prices, with all items shipped directly from overseas manufacturers and suppliers to ensure maximum affordability and value for consumers. The reason we're focusing on Temu today is because they have developed and maintained an exceptionally generous and accessible affiliate program that enables everyday people, like you and me, to earn substantial commissions, simply by promoting their diverse range of products to our audiences and networks. My partner personally uses this income generation system every single day and has been consistently generating reliable revenue with it for several months now, demonstrating both the program's legitimacy and its impressive earning potential when implemented correctly. The most appealing aspect of this entire opportunity is that there are no special qualifications, prior experience requirements, lengthy approval processes, or extended waiting periods involved. Literally anyone can join the program immediately and begin building their income stream from day one. Here's exactly how you can get started with this incredible earning opportunity. Begin by navigating to the official Temu website using any standard web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you've arrived on the home page, you'll need to carefully scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page, making sure to move past all the prominently featured product categories, limited time special deals, promotional banners, and other content that might distract you from your destination. As you approach the comprehensive footer section at the page's bottom, look carefully and methodically for the specific link that clearly says affiliate among the various other options available in that area, which typically include standard links like About Us, contact information, privacy policy, and other common footer elements. When you successfully locate the affiliate text link, click on it precisely to proceed to the official affiliate program information and registration page, where you'll learn all the details about the earning structure and begin the enrollment process. This affiliate program page provides comprehensive information about the remarkable earning potential available through the Temu platform. The program generously offers up to 20% commission rates on qualified sales across many product categories. Plus, they provide an additional Freecash reward for every new user who simply downloads and installs the mobile application through your unique referral link in Temu. And this reward applies even if that person doesn't make any immediate purchase or engage in any monetary transaction whatsoever during their initial interaction with the platform. Perhaps most impressively, there's absolutely no complicated approval process, no subjective evaluation of your application, and no extended waiting period involved in getting started. You can typically sign up instantly after providing basic information by clicking the clearly marked Sign Up button that's usually prominently displayed on Found It Sign Up button. The page, often in a contrasting color, to make it stand out from other page elements. After completing the straightforward registration process, which typically involves providing some basic personal and payment information, you'll gain immediate access to your personalized affiliate dashboard. This dashboard serves as your central command center for tracking and managing all aspects of your Temu affiliate activities, providing you with real-time data and analytical tools to optimize your earning potential. This is where you'll find your unique, personalized affiliate tracking link. This specific URL is absolutely crucial because it contains special identifiers that allow Temu's system to properly attribute sales and downloads to your account, ensuring you receive proper credit and compensation for all the traffic you generate. The dashboard interface clearly displays your current earnings balance, shows recent withdrawal history with dates and amounts, provides detailed performance metrics regarding click-through rates and conversion percentages, and offers various analytical tools to help you understand which products and marketing strategies are generating the best results for your specific efforts. All withdrawals and commission payments are conveniently processed through PayPal integration, making it simple and efficient to access your funds without dealing with complicated banking procedures or extended processing times. When potential customers use your special affiliate link, they automatically receive an amazing incentive package consisting of a 100 coupon bundle and an additional 50% discount on their first purchase through the platform. This powerful combination makes them substantially more likely to use your specific link instead of going directly to Temu or using another affiliate's promotion, thereby ensuring you receive proper credit for facilitating their engagement with the platform. Now, we arrive at the most critically important part of this entire process: Understanding how to properly promote your affiliate link on social media platforms without violating their policies or risking your accounts. You absolutely cannot, under any circumstances, post your raw, unmodified affiliate link directly on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or any other major social media network. These platforms employ increasingly sophisticated algorithms that aggressively detect and flag direct affiliate links as potential spam or prohibited commercial content, which could result in your content being removed, your reach being drastically limited, or worse, your account being permanently banned from the platform entirely. Even if your account doesn't get immediately banned, these platforms will typically significantly reduce your organic reach and engagement rates, making it virtually impossible to build a meaningful audience or generate substantial traffic to your offers. This is precisely why you need to use a reputable link management service like Linktree as a protective bridge between your social media content and your affiliate links. This approach allows you to share your offers while maintaining compliance with platform policies. Setting up Linktree properly is relatively simple and straightforward. Begin by creating a free account at .ee, following their intuitive registration process that typically only requires an email address and password. Once you're successfully logged into your Linktree dashboard, look for the clearly marked Add Link button or similar functionality, which is usually prominently displayed on the main dashboard screen or accessible through an obvious navigation menu. Click this button and then carefully paste your complete Temu affiliate link into the designated URL field, making sure to copy and paste the entire link without modification to ensure proper tracking and functionality. What's particularly convenient about using Linktree for this purpose is that their system automatically recognizes many popular affiliate links and will typically generate a pre-written description like, "Click the purpose," link to get a 100 coupon bundle, or similar enticing text, though you can customize this description to make it more engaging and personalized if desired. You should also give this link a clear, compelling title such as "Exclusive Temu Deals," "Limited Time Discounts," or whatever text you believe will most effectively encourage clicks from your specific audience. After adding all the appropriate details and double-checking that everything appears correct, click the Save or Add button to permanently add this link to your Linktree profile, making it immediately accessible to anyone who visits your Linktree page. Then, navigate to the Share section of your Linktree dashboard to copy your unique Linktree URL, which will look something like linktr. Your name, depending on your chosen username. This specific URL is what you'll use across all your social media platforms instead of your raw affiliate link. For TikTok promotion specifically, which represents one of the most powerful platforms for this type of marketing, you'll want to create genuinely engaging, valuable videos that showcase interesting Temu products that would particularly appeal to your target audience. Authentic, hands-on content demonstrating products in actual use situations. This approach builds much greater trust with viewers and typically results in significantly higher conversion rates compared to simply showing product images or stock footage. You should never mention terms like affiliate link or make overtly commercial statements in your videos, as this tends to trigger platform algorithms and reduces viewer engagement. Instead, use natural organic language like "check my bio for these amazing deals," or "link in bio for exclusive discounts," to direct interested viewers toward your offers without appearing overly promotional. In your TikTok profile settings, paste your Linktree URL in the designated website field, ensuring it's prominently visible and clearly associated with the content you're creating. When genuinely interested viewers click your Linktree URL, then proceed to click your specific Temu affiliate link within that page, they automatically receive their attractive coupon bundle and discount offers, and you subsequently earn your well-deserved commissions for facilitating their engagement with the platform. Remember to always prioritize providing genuine value in your content, rather than just pushing products aggressively. TikTok's algorithm particularly rewards authentic engagement and valuable content. So focus on creating entertaining, useful, or educational videos first, with the affiliate component serving as a secondary benefit for your audience rather than the primary focus of your content. Consistency represents another crucial element for success. You should post new content regularly according to a sustainable schedule. Actively engage with your viewers in the comments section to build community and trust. Continuously research new products and emerging trends to keep your content fresh and relevant. and always focus on showcasing products that provide real, practical value to potential buyers rather than just pushing items for quick commissions. People are substantially more likely to use your affiliate links when they see you've genuinely tested the products, provided honest assessments and demonstrations, and established yourself as a trustworthy source of information rather than just another promotional account. That completes our comprehensive guide on how to start earning money with the Temu app. Thanks for watching.